We gather here today to witness and celebrate an act of deep love. Timothy and Shirley, in their devotion, respect, and love for each other, wish to be united in marriage.
You came into my life with no warning, like a flash of light. And I was doing fine, but as you came in, I watched my future rewrite. I'm not ready. I'm not prepared. I was so steady on my feet, but now I'm up in the air. Yeah, it's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see from miles up here. We can go all up here. It's just me and you, and we're taking in the view. We can spend the rest of our days way up here. Just me and you. These feels I can't shake off. I'm in your orbit. I will never drop. I'm so ready.
You look great.
Take me as I am.
You look very beautiful. Are you ready?
I think so.
Yeah.
I'll pay all I can. It's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see from miles up here. We can go all up here. It's just me and you, and we're taking in the view. We can spend the rest of our days way up here. Just me and you. It's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see from miles up here. We can go all up here. It's just me and you, and we're taking in the view. We can spend the rest of our days way up.
It is my pleasure to introduce to you, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Chong.